Hey everyone, and welcome back. So what I'm going to be taking you through today is a different sort of sequence and sort of strengthening exercise to correct those who believe they have poor posture to look at, or they can actually feel the injuries that they can have during pregnancy and postpartum because of poor posture. Are you walking hunched over with your chest caved in? Can you feel weaknesses in your lower back, strains? It all comes from poor posture. And depending on what part of journey you're at, if you're in your pregnancy or your postpartum journey, you'll start to have different sort of signs. So if you're coming into your pregnancy and you're going through the journey of the 9 months, you will notice it becoming worse and worse and weaker as the journey progresses. And in the postpartum, you'll be able just to see the difference in changes, the way you stand compared to when you were not pregnant because of the transformation that you had over the last 9 months. And if you don't rehabilitate these injuries, they do tend to inflame gradually, and then one day you just end up being injured. So for example, you maybe just pick up your kid, you may do a simple task, you just pull your lower back or you pull the shoulder joint. One of those simple exercises and simple activities is what usually brings on the injuries of something so simple because of the weak muscles, your shoulders and posture bringing along with it. So I'm going to take you through 2 different exercises that you can do in the morning, 4 minutes in total, maximum 3 times per week. And you'll start to see real changes as the weeks progress. Within about 14 days, you'll see massive changes in your posture, but also a massive reduction in the pain that you're experiencing and the inflammation that you're experiencing in the morning as you wake up. Do you wake up with a little bit of lower back pain, stiff, you're just not at yourself? It takes a little bit of time for you to be mobilized and happy and start to move freely. This will help. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take you through the first one. Calming shells, you put your hand here, you breathe in, breathe out. As you twist, you try and touch your shoulder blades. That's what you're imagining. You're not going to be able to do it, but you're pushing. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Breathe in, breathe out, holding. 3, 2, 1, relax. Just keep that momentum going. We're going for 8 each side. Two more. Last one. Relax. So now we're going to change side, do the same 8 on the other side. Breathe in, breathe out. Last one. And relax. So that's the first one. The next one, depending on what part of your journey you're on, I'm going to show you 2 different ones. Using the chair if you're pregnant. Postpartum, you can use the chair or the floor. If you're early in your postpartum journey, your tummy's still a bit tender, then I advise using the chair. C-sections, etc., use the chair. But if you're into your postpartum journey months, years later, you're more than happy to use a floor, as the tenderness around the tummy will not be there. So firstly, I'll show you the one with the chair. You're going to rest your head on the chair, put your straight hands and your thumbs up. You breathe in, breathe out, lift your thumbs up, hold it. 3, 2, 1, come down and relax. If you're going to use the mat, rest your head, thumbs up. 3, 2, 1, drive them up and relax. So that's the 2. You decide which one you're going to do now at the minute with me. I'm going to use the mat, you decide. We're going to go for 8. So in your own time. and relax. So there we have it. Simple, couple of minutes. Start to strengthen the muscles that are becoming weaker. If you just did it there with me, you'll feel the back of your muscles along the shoulders, feel a little bit tired, feel a little bit of a heart rate. Your mind and your temperatures increase by doing that simple sequence, 4 minutes in total probably. So give it a go. I advise you're not going to see instant results in one day. It may take a few days to start to see progress, but please, if you do have poor posture, start to work on these exercises and you will see massive changes. Thank you very much everyone. Speak soon. Take care. Bye bye.